Hey everybody, welcome back. You know what's in the box, hopefully. This is from Lynch, Northwest in the great state of Washington. They are doing it up right. Now, we're going to look at in just a minute or so several of their options that you can pick up. This is a limited edition. It may already be sold out. We're hoping for a second run, but let's see what's in the box. Now, I was excited. I had to open up the box early because this was a special collab with our good friend, Said Stevie. Now, they give you, of course, Lynch Northwest gives you some extra screws that'll work perfectly with their custom clips. They throw in a little handwritten card, a little sticker. I love that. Now, we got our tourist bit driver, the T6. Now, look at this beautiful stuff. Packaged up nicely. Let's open it up. Get our Spyderco out here. So sharp. We'll look at that one a little bit more in just a minute because it's got some beautiness to it. But we want to see the beautiful special limited edition pocket clip. Look at this. This is the Said Stevie. And it's hard to see the details on here. But you got Said Stevie right up through here. Getting beamed up. The alien abduction. This is awesome. Now, this is the Benchmade stubby. It'll fit the Benchmade, the Emerson's, the 3-hole clip design. And you can see overall, hopefully, you get a little bit of Said Stevie right here. And I love that. That's super cool. I know he's been up there a numerous amount of times. He's had some fun with them. But the biggest question for me is, which knife do I put it on, right? Which Benchmade? One should get the special Said Stevie treatment, and two goes the best with it. Now, I'm thinking a standard blue, possibly, or we did put the blue Benchmade mini deep carry clip on this one, so maybe it'll actually go better on that. It's got a little purple hue to it, so I'm going to need your help in the comments below. Let me know which one it should go on. Now, I also have this little mini bug out, a specialized one, and I'll hold each one up so we can get it. That's got a little bit different hue of blue to it. Maybe it should go with that. And then is there one more that we should pick? Let's see here. Where's that purple one that I was going to have a little fun with? This purple one might be where it's at. We'll take off this mini deep carry on the purple mini bug out, and we'll put it on there. So let me go through. I'll show each one with the clip. You give me your opinion down below. 1 is on the left, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have mini bug out, mini griptilian, mini freak with the black Rogue Bladework scales, the mini freak with the blue Rogue Bladework scales, and then the mini grip, or I'm sorry, the mini bug out from Benchmade. So here's what it would look like on the mini bug out. This is a custom RIT die from myself. That's what that one would look like. Now let's go with the mini griptilian. Some of these are going to stay, some of them won't. And this is going to be for special carry, not at work, because these stubbies don't work with my uniform that I have. Not uniform, but stuff I wear at work, you know, standard pants, uniform stuff. I always call it uniform because it's what I wear. But either way, this is how it'll look here. This is only drilled for right-hand carry, so it kind of pops against the black. I kind of like that. Definitely pops against the blue a little bit. Like that as well. And then, of course, here it is on the mini bug out. That purple one. Kind of has those cool shades to it. I like that as well. Let me know down in the comments. 1 through 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, awesome. Let's put these off to the side a little bit because I want to show you what some of the options Lynch Northwest has besides these awesome. This is the standard stubby that's just been, look at that, dialed up. There's a good look at it right there with the Said Stevie. I love that. Now, they have them for Spyderco. They have them for so many other knives. This is on a mini Crooked River. This is one of their standard Benchmade clips for the mini Crooked River. It looks fantastic on this. Also, we have it for the ProTech. I got that blue ProTech one that I got to get installed ASAP. I just haven't chosen which one. I need to buy more of them is what it is. Your standard black Lynch Benchmade clip, and they go super deep on them, so it's kind of nice. They got the super deep option. And then this is one of my favorite upgrades. And this goes from the wire clip, so you can see the standard wire clip on a Spyderco. And this is a titanium version that fits right in there. It's just super big upgrade to your Spyderco. So some of you love the wire clip, and I can totally appreciate that. I love this titanium upgrade. It's got two little slots that fit right in. You put your pin and your screw in there, and you're dialed. And this is just upgrades this knife 100%. So I love that. I love that. Now, one of the other cool ones they came out with is the MSI from Microtech. They took that clip. This has the filler, of course, but this has that upgraded clip. Beautiful, beautiful. It's just that black gunsmith coloring. It fits right in with what they are doing over at Lynch. Let me put those up a little bit so we can see them better. We don't need to see the paperwork as well. We'll file that to the side a little bit. I was like, why is this not showing so well? Oh, well, it's not almost all on camera. So anyways, let's get that going. Now, of course, they have the standard one right here that we looked at. This is that version of it. You can see it's 2-hole. You can get the 3rd hole up there, which is terrific. And then overall, one of my favorites is the feather clip upgrade to this beautiful Spyderco. Shout out to Big Brown Bear, Triple B Handmade, the 15V, the Brown G10, and hopefully we'll have one of the Spyderco lightweight pair of 3s on here, and we'll need to do an upgrade to that one as well, ASAP when it comes in. Now, one of the things that I was dealing with was the standard clip and the Benchmade stubby, and I got the blacksmith version of that. You can see if you put the screws right there, how deep it's going to sit in the pocket. I think this is what it's going to go on. And I had done the swap out originally, and when I was carrying it at work, it sat too deep in the pocket, but I actually like the way it sits, so this one is going back on. But either way, if you like the standards, if you like the stubby, if you like your Spydercos, you got your ZTs, your Kershaws, almost any, Demcos, whatever, almost any pocket knife that you own, you can find an upgrade at Lynch Northwest. And it's really cool that they hooked up with Said Stevie and they got this one dialed in for him. Let me know down in the comments which one you want me to put this on. I will go with the viewer consensus, and hopefully maybe in the next week or two on the live stream we'll make that happen. But also, did you pick one of these up? Because I think they're almost sold out. If you did, let me know as well. Either way, super awesome. I love it. Maybe one day we can convince Lynch Northwest to do a hashtag DSKFS clip. Wouldn't that be awesome? Do something kind for someone. Maybe do it vertical down the clip. Oh, you know what I'm saying? We'd have to start with the blue, or maybe a black with blue, or something with a little blue on it. So Lynch, hit me up. Let me know. Either way, this is an awesome, awesome way to upgrade your pocket clip on your favorite pocket knife, and some of the deep carry options are terrific. I do have to love the wire clip upgrade, one of my favorites other than the Benchmade stubby. So anyways, make sure to hashtag DSKFS. Do something kind for someone. It's what we do. It's what we do in our community. But most importantly, have an awesome rest of your day, and we'll catch you on the next one.